Hi, we got a lot of questions regarding the use of AI in Amazon PPC, and we have seen a lot of use cases around bidding. But at SellerMate, we believe that there are a number of other use cases, especially with regards to workflows, where you can immensely use AI. I'm going to be demonstrating some of those use cases over the next few weeks. I'm starting with one specific use case that has come up a lot. Hi, I'm Avinash, co-founder of SellerMate Bot AI, and today I'm going to be discussing some of the use cases regarding the use of AI in Amazon PPC. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI for auditing an account. So if you're an agency partner or even a freelancer, or sometimes even a brand who wants to do a general audit, you try to look at data periodically and try to make sense of the data. Now, a lot of that is manual work. Sometimes you have standard dashboards, but even then, it might not work as well as you would. So let me show you how you can use AI to audit your or your client account and get the most out of the AI. And to do that, I'll be showing you the same using our SellerBot, and I'll be showing you a couple of use cases. So this is SellerBot, our in-house AI agent. And here you can basically chat with your data, identify things, post your queries, and the agent helps you understand it. The queries can be as generic as possible or as specific as possible. I'll start with a very small specific query that we see very often. It can be as general as, hey, I want to audit an account. So you can simply write, create an audit report for me, generate an executive summary as well as detailed report. Now you have multiple options here. I'm going to be using the agentic option, and I'll explain during the course of the video what this option is. So in agentic mode, what happens is that we've created a system which automatically identifies, it's an agent that automatically identifies your queries, identifies data relevant to those queries, and then adds and appends that to your query structure right here, right now. So if you look at it, I just asked it this thing, the agent in the first instant identified what is it that it needs to generate this audit report, including executive summary and detailed report. It identified the list of reports that it needs. And now if you see here, you will see that it's identifying the data slowly, and it's going to keep adding this data till it feels that it has reached the right level of optimization. So based on my prompt, what the agent did was it went, identified this executive summary. It automatically identified the data that's relevant for it. It gave it a scorecard out of its own volition. It created a sort of a structured framework on which it's going to evaluate the specific account. It's looking at momentum, 30 days, 14 days, looking at best versus the worst. It's also identifying opportunities out of its, automatically based on whatever it identifies. For example, an opportunity of reducing CPCs or, your conversion rate drops or anything anomalous that it finds out. What it will also do is identify waste areas and all of these things. And on top of this, what it will also do is it will ask you specific questions. So since the agent automatically understood certain requirement and said, okay, this is how I'm going to evaluate or audit this account, at the end of it, it's also asking you if you want any of these other things to be included in the analysis, and you can chat with it. It will have the full context at its background and then give you the result. Now, this is a very generic question that you asked the agent. It did a good job of identifying and understanding what that meant. It asks you questions what it doesn't understand or thinks it's important for you to understand. Do let me know how you liked this part of use of AI and how did you like this use case for SellerBot. I will be back with more. Thank you.